Morning, morning, morning.
Bonjour.
Bonjour.
I was worried that you quit and you go work for Hyundai again.
Bonjour. How are you?
No, good to see you. Such a gorgeous piece of road. Oh my God. So this road is actually fun. We have great memories here because this is the road that I very first drove an R5 car on gravel. But yeah, gorgeous, gorgeous road. So much fun. Great rhythm. Beautiful, beautiful road. Can't wait to spend the day on it. Gotta get them shoulders warmed up.
Now we have hydraulic bump stop that we don't have last year.
Thank God. Well, not thank God we didn't have it last year. Thank God we have it this year.
We are doing some new drive shaft. So we will put in the car during lunch, something like that, to have some mileage. Yeah, just to test for the rally. So.
Flat still wave, 40. Sandy 9 right half, don't, 40. 8 left plus can't, half, 120. 10 left clip out, 80. 9 left plus can't, closes, 9 right, 120. Still stop, 6 right can't. Can't closes 60, 8 left can't half clip after, and 8 right plus.
If you are feeling, yeah, 2 times it's enough.
Just to help clean the road, yeah.
Yeah.
Can't half 40. 6 right plus can't long 60. 7 left plus over crest can't bar 50 over wave. 7 left plus can't opens up in and late. 8 right can't tightens closes left cut and wave 10 right 180 down mid. Flat still wave 40. Sandy 9 right half don't 40.
Super good morning. Tons of damper changes. Car's getting quicker. The road is also getting quicker because we're cleaning it, but I think we're at a good spot with the road now. So yeah, we just did a big diff change during the lunch break. Car's just about ready to get back out there, so we're stoked on it.
C'est quoi ça? Je sais pas, c'est dans le...
Ok Kikou, pousse-moi la rondelle sur cette vis s'il te plaît.
All the time it's open, it's all the time in braking. So braking is just throttle.
Get more grip! We want more grip! Alex, do you want more grip? I do.
See if you get it.
We accidentally stayed up till 1 watching England get their asses kicked in the penalty shootout.
Yeah. I'm sure you were happy about it.
I mean, I don't know if happy is the right word. I felt bad for the
Elated?
dudes.
Jubilant? would describe your reaction last night. I would say.
Conflicted.
Not bitter.
I felt not good about England winning the European Cup having left the EU. For me, that just didn't make sense. So I feel like it's good that they lost, but I also was gutted for those young guys at the end. So Bittersweet.
And me.
Yeah, I'll root.
Mostly me.
Not bad for Alex. It's the
Alright, geezer.
the resident Brit here. I mean, I'll root for them in the World Cup if they're not against like Germany or the US. Then I'll root for England in the World Cup.
They are still part of the world.
They are a part of the world. They are no longer part of Europe. Right. Alex got it right.
Sweet.
Sweet.
I mean, it looks like mega fast, so stoked that he's on the limit. Looks real good. Definitely nice to be outside the car and appreciate a little bit from this angle. Look at me, Ma. I'm shooting road to WRC.
Oh yeah. Yeah, literally just getting out of the car after a very, very long day of testing, very hot. Car definitely felt like a sauna today. Tried a ton of different things with the dampers, the bars, and the diffs. Got a really good platform, so we have ideas for what we need to do for the first pass, second pass, and if we need to run two spares or not. So good learning. Also got to take some mechanics out for some taxi rides, which is super great because they work so hard on the car that to be able to give them that experience, it's always a treat for me and it's a treat for them too. So all in all, a super good day. Can't wait to get out of these stinky, sweaty Nomex clothes. And now to Alex.
I'm already out of these sweaty, dusty, gross clothes, but yeah, seemed like a really good day of testing. Got to join the Road to WRC camera crew out on the stages, which is nice. And yeah, everything went really well. The car started in a really, really good place, and Sean seemed super comfortable in the car. So able to play with the different settings, and hopefully we're in a place that's really quick for the start of the event, and then we can adjust the car as the roads and the conditions change.